So when it comes to spark plugs, it's probably a good idea to change all your spark plugs at the same time. The only reason you would ever want to just change one spark plug is because something's bad with that spark plug, it broke, or just having a tough time actually sparking. So spark plugs usually last somewhere between about 80 to 100,000 miles. So, and if you're getting up there anyways, it's probably better just to change them all at the same time. It's going to make the vehicle run a lot more smoothly because all of them are going to be firing kind of at the same consistency. You're not going to have one that's better than the rest, or the rest of them are bad and one's really good. So, and then also if you're not doing it yourself, it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run if you just change them all at the same time, because mostly what you're paying for when you're changing your spark plugs is labor. So you're going to probably pay the same amount of labor for somebody to do one as it would be to do 4 or 6 or 8 or whatever. So it'd be cheaper in the long run just to do all of them at one time. So again, if you're going to be having issues with your engine and for some reason just one spark plug needs to be replaced, you might have a bigger issue than just the spark plug. So you might need to actually take it in and have a technician look at it and figure out why that one spark plug is kind of constantly going bad. But so yeah, in the long run, if you can get whatever 60 to 80 to 100,000 miles out of your spark plugs, that's good. And then if you have one going bad, that probably means the rest of them are going to be going bad pretty soon or need to be replaced. So just replace them all at the same time. It's going to save you money in the long run.